Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to duplicate your website on Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open your browser that you will use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, I'm using Brave. Of course, for you, you could use another browser, maybe like Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, or even Microsoft Edge, or any other possibly working browsers. Then all you need to do, just go launch your browser, create a new tab, then go here to the URL section and type Squarespace. Space.com, then hit the enter button. So that will actually take you into the Squarespace website. So all you need to do first of all is to get started and create your account first. Well, for me, I already have an account. Of course, if you don't have a website yet, you would like to click get started as well and create your website, because if you don't create your website, you will not be able to duplicate the website. So of course, here you'd like to go and click or choose the type of the maybe website that you want, choose the topic and other stuffs from here. Of course, you can even use some filters to hide the things that you don't want to see, of course, and to choose careful and make sure to choose carefully which template you would like to have. So for me, I already have one website, so all I need to do, just go to my profile by clicking at my icon here, and that will actually takes me into my dashboard where I have all the websites here. So if I want actually to duplicate a website, all I need to do, just go to the website that I want to duplicate, click at the three dots here at the right, then click at duplicate website. So duplicate website, duplicate this site can take up for a few minutes. You can leave this page during this process. So click at duplicate and you actually will be good to go. It will just take some time. If you like quit and came back, you will find it good there. So as you can see, it's already duplicated and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.